Hello, Bill. My name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for a 2010 BMW F800R, 27,554 kilometers, and the price is 7,188 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety and certified, ready for the season. It comes with a brand new front tires and rear tires, and also an extra accessories comes with the engine guard and the saddle box, which is you could remove when you travel with you and bring it to the hotel. Motorcycle is very clean and is available at this time. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.